Hi, I'm Clever Ghoul, but you can call me Nikki. Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all are having a lovely holiday season no matter what it is that you celebrate. But as I'm filming this, we're still in the middle of Yule, which definitely deserves a moment. And in case you don't know too much about Yule, I'm gonna give you a very, very quick rundown. Yule is a 12-day long celebration that falls around the winter solstice. It is a time to celebrate the returning of the light as the days are getting longer and the nights are getting shorter. There are many different traditions associated with Yule, but today we're gonna make a Yule-inspired craft called a witch's ball or a blessing ball. These balls are designed to repel bad energy, bad spirits, as well as protect the inhabitants of the home. They're also great for refreshing the energy with your home and thinking about what energy and mood you want to bring into the next year. This is an incredibly customizable project and really depends on what kind of energy you want to manifest for the next year. This could be love, protection, growth, healing, and so on. So I'm going to walk you through it, but I really recommend Googling and looking into this and seeing what it is that you want to invite into the next year with you and to figure out what elements you're going to want to include into your project because you're probably going to want to do something a little bit different than what I'm doing. But with all that being said, let's get into it. For this project, you'll need the following materials: a clear glass or plastic ornament, preferably a ball, but I found these sort of disc-shaped ones at my local craft store on sale, and then a variety of different things, including herbs, stones, charms. I'm going to put a list below that you can pause to read, and then anything that you want to use to decorate the ball. You can use ribbons or charms, you can leave it plain, it's really up to you. Now before we start, if you want to invite different energies into your home, you don't have to make a separate witch ball for each, you can put them all into one if you'd like. I made them separate just for the sake of this video, but really you can put them all into one. Gather all of your items together and remove the metal top off of your ornament. While thinking about whatever energy it is that you want to invite into the new year, start putting your items into the ornament in whatever way feels right to you and what calls to you. Fill it up until it feels right, and then put the metal top back on. You can decorate the outside if you want to. I left mine plain, but I added a velvet ribbon so I'm able to hang mine up. And that's it, which means it's time for the reveal. Here's what I made. I think they're really pretty and I'm hoping it will bring a lot of luck into this next year. Now you can hang these up in your tree for the meantime, but really they're meant to be hung up in a window, again, to repel any bad energy and to bring in the good energy into your home for the coming year. Now I'm gonna hang mine up in the tree for the last few days of Yule, but then I'll be hanging them up in the window to serve their intended purpose. I know this isn't the typical project that I do on this channel, and I am by no means an expert in this area. However, I do think this is a really great project no matter what your belief system is. It's really grounding, have a little self-reflection time, and also trying to put yourself in a good frame of mind for what's coming in the new year. And honestly, who doesn't need some of that? Again, I hope you've had an amazing holiday season. Did you do anything fun, or do you have any cool traditions that you do during the holidays? If you do, I would love to know, so tell me all about it in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And before I go, I just want to say I am so grateful for all of you that are here. It means so much to me, and I can't wait to make more fun and spooky projects in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!